Every single choice you make today is either a daily win or a daily drift. Daily wins compound towards your freedom, but daily drifts compound towards your regret. Comparing yourself to strangers online is a daily drift. Acknowledging your own small progress is a daily win. Saying yes when you want to say no is a daily drift. Protecting your boundaries is a daily win. Enjoying a payday splurge is a daily drift. Automating a payday savings transfer is a daily win. 30 minutes of doom scrolling in bed is a daily drift. Acknowledging your achievements that day and planning a tomorrow to be proud of is a daily win. These choices can feel so irrelevant in the moment, but when repeated daily, determine the direction of your life. And to make it worse, so many of us feel stuck in more than one area and we don't even know how we got there. But we got there because we drifted. And the good news is that if we got there because of our daily drifts, we can change course by replacing those with daily wins. I created Big Daddy's Big Tips because in a world where we are drowning with free advice, we're equally starved of proper guidance on how to make big changes in a way that is achievable and sustainable, given how hectic life already is, and given how society makes it easier to drift than it does to win. You don't need more knowledge, you need a better system, and that is exactly why Big Daddy's Big Tips exists. You can scratch the surface here with my daily tips, you can dive deeper with me on my daily podcast, and you can go all in with the free guide that accompanies every single tip. You can also use my free foundation blueprint to spot your own drifts and find some daily wins that feel right for you. Then you can use it to track your new daily wins and let the ripple effects carry you away from feeling stuck and overwhelmed to living with momentum, confidence, and freedom. So follow me, grab your free blueprint in my bio, and let's start redirecting your life journey one daily step at a time.